Hi Beauties and welcome back to my channel. This video I'm doing the opening of Glossy Box for November 2020. Now I have taken it out of the box but I haven't actually opened this. If I open this you'll see it is still sealed. It's still sealed, not been tampered with at all, so I've got no idea really what is in here. So the subject that the theme of the box this month is makeup and magic. Now I saw a preview on the last month where it said that we were going to get, I think it was an eyeshadow palette, I think from LA Splash. So yeah. So this is what is on the inside. I can see that there's a palette there, but I haven't opened it up, so I don't know what's in there. So I thought I'd open up with you. And I'm really excited because I love anything like this where I don't know what's in the box. So yes, here we go. So we'll just give her a little open. I love the little ribbons. I always love the aesthetic. The pink boxes, I think they're really, really gorgeous. Just undo that. Oh, okay. So we have. Okay, so let's pick up our. Right. I've just noticed that there's a different product in here. Okay, this is the first thing that I pull out, and it's Generation Clay. It looks like it's actually, it's supposed to be a mud masky, a Leave Me On Autumn mask, which would have been perfect because I really love the winter mask. I mistakenly last year bought 2 glossy boxes one month and ended up with 2 of them, and I've got to say I absolutely loved it. And that would have been worth £35. But instead we've got a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Okay, well that's a bit of a downer. Never heard of this brand before. Let me see if I can get my phone. I'm going to have a look and see who they are because I don't honestly know who they are. I feel a bit done in. Sounds really, really ridiculous, but I feel a bit done in because it's like, oh, you buy your glossy box because you know it's going to be worth a certain amount of money, and then when it comes it hasn't got in there. Right, so let's look. Generation Clay. Generation Clay. And this is the Brightening Purple Mask. So this is a 50ml for 60 grams, which is £10, 10 grams less. This is worth £20 and 25 pence. So this is worth probably about 18 quid, which is worth half the value of what there should be in there. Okay. Well, still worth giving it a go, I suppose. Although it's not what it's meant to be. I'll give it a go. Tells you on the back, luckily, how to use it. It says apply an even layer to clean dry skin with approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse your mask in circular motions and lightly pat your skin dry. Not for resale. Right, not for resale. So this tells me that this isn't definitely not full size. This is a sample or a deluxe sample or a travel size. Okay, it's sealed on the inside. I actually don't normally come across like this, but I actually feel quite cheated. If that makes sense. I feel like, yeah, I feel quite cheated. Never mind. We have a Spectrum brush, and it's the limited edition BO7 brush worth £7.99. Now, I'm not particularly a big fan of Spectrum brushes, and I'll tell you for why. A lot of people go on about them, but I have some Spectrum brushes that came out at Superdrug last year, and I've got to say, they are not, I'm not overly impressed with them. But this is what the brush looks like. It's just a black and gold brush, synthetic. It says here that it's limited edition. I'll read out what it says. Add definition to another worldly makeup with this tall pointed blender brush. The super soft synthetic bristles on this limited edition black and gold tool taper at the tip into the defined flame shape, which will effortlessly, we always have a problem with that word, don't we, glide across the lid and into the crease of the eye, blending sweep motions to create an enchanting eye look. Okay, I've got to say it does feel very, very soft, but not sure until I try it how it's going to go. I mean, I'm a massive fan of brushes like Lois Cosmetics and Zoeva, and that to me is like the perfect blending brush, which is beautiful, and this one feels more plastic than this. But, you know, it's in my box. I'm going to give it a go. Can't ever turn down a brush. I love brushes. I am a big thing of brushes, so I'm actually quite happy with that. Next we have a Husk Argan Oil from Rocco Repairing Deep Conditioner. This looks like one of the deluxe travel size conditioners. Strengthens and restores dry, damaged hair. Now that will be really good for me at the moment because my hair is quite damaged from me being dyed. So this is worth £2. Really? Formulated with organic argan oil, unique to Morocco. Now I have heard a story about argan oil, and that is the little pygmy goats that they have over there. The argan berries or nuts, whatever they are, they actually eat them, and then when they've pooped them out, they then collect them, and then they use the oil from them. So I have been told that apparently every time you use argan oil on your face, it has been through the stomach of a goat. It doesn't turn me off because it's like, it's not a problem. I don't find it offensive. Just a little story for you is what I heard, and that was, yeah, that was from a trusted source as well. Formulated with organic argan oil, unique to Morocco, this deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. Super strengthening and intensely hydrating. Massage this miracle working product into clean, wet hair, focusing on damaged areas. Leave on for up to 10 minutes before rinsing out. Okay, I have tried this before, if I'm honest. It was a bigger pack than this. Does it say in its full size? I mean, it looks like a sample size. I'm pretty sure that this is like a mini. It is a mini. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got Q-Bella Professional Recharge Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Recharges mind and rejuvenates the skin. Okay, so lasting after radiant glowing skin. Well, this hydrating gel mask will cast a spell and make exactly that happen. Enriched with recharging moonstone extract. Moonstone extract. Yeah, I just feel like, so you've got a clay mask and then you've got another mask, and it's supposed to be makeup and magic. I'm pretty sure this is meant to be a makeup box this month. I'm sure of it. It's like, it feels to me like it was meant to be a makeup box, but I'm really disappointed that I've got two masks. I'm really disappointed that I haven't got the item that's in the box, in the listings. I just feel like, yeah, I've got to say, I've been very cross with Glossy Box recently because my last box came so late that it was too late for me to do a video, where other people that I knew in my friend circle had their box a week before mine had even been sent out. I complained to Glossy Box, but I didn't get anything back. My advent calendar took absolutely ages to sort out as well. It didn't come for weeks, and then when it did come, it was like, it wasn't in pristine condition either. I didn't really complain about it because I thought it doesn't matter. I know it's only like a Christmas present for me, for my husband, but even so, I do feel like their customer service has gone down the pan. And I said to a couple of my friends, like last month, I think they've got too big for themselves, that they can't cope. So, but there you go. So on to the last product, which was sneak peeked. This is the LA Splash eyeshadow palette. I love the aesthetic of it. It's very, very beautiful. It says it's got a 6-month shelf life. It's cruelty free. And yeah, it's LA Splash, which I have a couple of LA Splash lipsticks, I think. Oh, perhaps they're not in here. I thought they were in here, but perhaps they're not. Perhaps they're in the other room. And I do like them. And that was Carmi that pointed me in their direction. So yeah, this is really quite aesthetically pleasing. I love the magic symbols that they've got on here. This feels very sort of like magical. It's very sort of, reminds me a little bit of Harry Potter. But let's have a look and see what she looks like inside. Ooh. Ooh, she looks nice. She's beautiful. Okay, so you have 3 shimmers here. You have 5 mattes. Really, really good neutral palette. So if you are into neutral palettes, this is really good. This is worth £29, I believe. So at least the price that you pay for the box, which is like £15, £12.95, £13.95, including postage. You are getting your money's worth in this product alone, which I think is fantastic. So that's a real upside to it, the fact that this product alone is worth more than what the box is. So it's almost like you've got this and the other bits and pieces that you've got are extra. So I'm not going to complain too much. And I had heard on the grapevine that a few people had had some of these delivered and they were smashed. And I was like, well, I'm not even going to have a look until I actually get into my unboxing. But as we can see, this is not smashed. This is absolutely beautiful. So let me just do a couple of swatches to see what she's like. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. I didn't press very hard, so that's not bad at all. I'm not going to go into the shimmers for the moment because I want to take photographs of this for Instagram because it's very, very Instagrammable. But yeah, very, very beautiful. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. So what are my thoughts on this month's box? Okay, really chuffed with this. I think it's really, really good. I like that. I do love products that are good for the hair, so I'm into that. The Spectrum brush, I'm a little bit like take it or leave it with the Spectrum brush, but I am a brush whore, so to be honest, I ain't going to complain too much. Like the idea of this, I think this is absolutely fantastic. The only downside is the clay mask. Which I've lost. How can she, here it is. How can she lose something? This is my only downside. Like, you know, I mean, I'm going to give it a go. You know, if it's on Beauty Ban, it's getting good reviews, then it must be good. I'm just a little bit flummoxed the fact that I didn't get the full-size product that I was led to believe that I would get. But all in all, do I think the box is worth paying for? Absolutely. I do think it's worth paying for. Also, a sneak peek for next month, December. We've got next month marks as... I'll read it again. Next month marks what us at Glossie headquarters describe as the best time of the year. I think most people do. During colder seasons, though, we know skin needs extra care, which is why next month we're bringing you the Symbiosis glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum, and it's worth an incredible £102. For an eye serum, your skin will be left visibly firmer and healthier. Well, these bags under here, they need all the attention and love that they can get. Let's put it that way. Because believe you me, these look like these are old black bin liners that have been used several times and are fit for the bin. So anything like that will be a help. So yeah, there you go. That is the unboxing of this month's Glossy box. I'm going to have a proper deep dive into this, and this will be very, very good for a self-care Sunday. And yeah, I think I'm now going to go and run the bath, and I'm now going to go off and do some self-care. So with that note, thank you very much. Subscribe if you haven't done already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, can't do it this side because I've got an injury. Fingers crossed, I'll see you in the next video. Ta for now, beauty babes. Bye.